CPAP Soap's CPAP accessories add comfort and convenience to your daily routine. Let's look at your CPAP Hose Wrap. The hose wrap is an important accessory to help maintain a constant airflow temperature from your CPAP unit to your mask. The hose wrap also dampens noise by providing a soft cushion barrier between the tubing and the surrounding environment, promoting a quieter sleep environment for both CPAP user and their bed partner. The fabric material of a hose wrap adds a layer of softness to the CPAP tubing, making it more comfortable against the skin. Using the hose wrap is extremely simple. Once you remove the wrap from the packaging, completely unzip the wrap. Lay the hose inside the open wrap and re-zip, leaving the connector ends of the hose outside. In addition to helping maintain a constant airflow temperature from your CPAP unit to your mask, the wrap is made from a comfortable and attractive fleece material that protects your hose from debris and dust. Remember, remove the hose from the wrap when cleaning the hose.